Hello everyone, your favorite tutor is here again. Today we're going to be solving a question in physics. If you all remember our last class, we talked about fundamental and derived quantities, okay? So today we're going to apply what we learned in that class in this question on the board right behind me. So if you know the answer, you're free to calculate it. As you watch this video, you're free to do it by yourself. Just type it in the comment section. But if you don't know how to do it, then this is an opportunity to learn physics with Tutor Nguse. Stay calm, pay attention, and you're gonna enjoy this class. Let's head back to class. Alright, so today I have a question on the board that says a car travels at an average speed of 100 km per hour. What distance does it cover in 5 minutes? So when you have a question like this in physics, the first thing that you should do is identify the quantities. What and what and what are you given in the question? So this is what I do anytime I'm faced with any question in physics. So the first thing is you write your solution and then your data. Okay, now when I say data, like I said, identify, extract those quantities, those values in the question that you're given out, so that you look at it and you know what and what you've been given and then what you're to find. So I can identify my speed is equal to what, 100 km per hour. I can also identify my time, which is what, 5 minutes. Okay, I hope I'm not rushing. Let me take a deep breath. Because I want everybody to follow this class. Those that physics is a nightmare to them, you see how we're gonna smash it in this class. So just pay attention and you follow, and you see that physics is easy and sweet. Alright, so what am I looking for? I'm looking for distance. So my distance is not given. So once I look at these data, I know what to do. So there is a formula that says what? Speed is equal to distance over time. My speed is given as this. My distance is what I'm looking for. My time is given as 5 minutes. Also, I can also identify another problem in this question. That's why in sciences, understanding the question is very important. Now, if you look at this unit here, I have kilometer per hour and I have minutes. Do you see that these are different varieties of the unit of time? And so I have to make this hour to be the same thing at this minute. What do? I'm going to say 100. I'm going to convert this per hour to minutes. Now 60 minutes makes 1 hour. That's it. That's the standard. 60 minutes makes 1 hour, right? So I'm going to say 100. This is kilometer divided by what? 60 minutes. So look. This is this pair here, this is the division line here. The hour I've converted into minutes, which is what, 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Look at the minutes here. Alright, so now let's go back to our formula that says what? Speed is equal to distance all over time. Or distance is not known, I'm looking for it. So what do? I'm going to make distance the subject of the formula by cross multiply. I have distance is equal to what? Speed times time. Alright, now what do? I'll say d is equal to, what's the value of my s? Look at it here. The value of my s, I'm going to say 100 kilometer divided by 60 minutes. This is the whole value of speed times my time. What is my time from the question? 5 minutes. So what's the next thing I'm going to do? If you look at this is minutes, this is minutes. So I'm going to strike this out. What is left? 100 kilometers divided by 60 times 5. So if you divide 100 by 60, you're going to have 1.66. We still have 5 here. Times 5. D now becomes what? Punch your calculators and give me the answer. 1.66 times 5. What do you have? If you do that correctly, you're going to have 8.3. So what's going to be the unit? Who will tell me? What's going to be the unit? So if you look at this and this have been cancelled. I'm left with kilometer here. Alright, so this becomes my unit. Besides, the distance was given in the question in kilometers. All right, and so that's the unit we have. That's but the SI unit for distance is meter, but in this question we are given the distance in kilometers, so you maintain that unit. Okay, so the distance becomes what? 8.3 kilometer, and our answer here is what? C. So this is our answer. So do you now see how easy physics can be if you pay attention and you follow the rules? You're gonna smash it. I'm telling you, you will enjoy it. Like, let me choose between physics and chemistry. Physics, chemistry, physics, chemistry. Chemistry is still my best too, because that's my field. But physics can be easy sometimes. Chemistry to get theory. So enough of that now. I hope you guys enjoyed my class. If you do, say I enjoyed your class in the comment section. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.
Every night I wake up. Paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself sometimes.